second floor, right? Oh, they close it. You're lucky. You were able to do it. What did he do? What you did?
Don't have the codes.
It's your phone number, right?
Yeah. Well, why didn't that other one too?
That's why the moral of the story, don't give up right away. And also, take a deep breath. You go here. No, it's closed. It's okay. They're closed here. Oh, the Amazon is back. It's the Amazon. Yeah, it's a Powerhouse book. It's the Amazon.
Part of that Amazon.
Yeah, I think so.